Hey guys, today we're gonna do a prank video with this fat gun right here. See it? See this gun? See it? Fat? Is it? No? No. Wait. So we're going to get a prank. So do we do? First, what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to go search cameras. Then I'm going to use some clothes. And close the window. And turn to the other side. This way. Come on. Look. Just did this. It's weird. Okay. So it's sunset. Do the prank challenge. Yeah, let's start. That's so fun. Oh. Yeah. How about do I see a guy? Guys, do you see any guy in here? So probably I can point it. Alright. Sorry guys, that's funny. Sorry for that video. Sorry for the video.